Hi, good morning. Today we are going to talk about chemistry in modern world.
Okay, let's go with Monica. I am going to talk about the contribution of chemistry in medicine. Chemistry is a huge part of medicine, both as diagnostic and treatment tool. Chemistry departments in hospitals, medical labs analyze blood, urine, etc. for proteins, sugars, and other metabolic and organic substances. Electrolyte tests are routine blood analysis, testing things like potassium and sodium. Most medications are involved with inhibiting a specific enzyme or the expression of a gene. Blocking an enzyme's active site requires a specified enzyme blocker to disable the enzyme's function. Since enemies are proteins, their functions differ based on shape, and inhibited drugs must be customized for each target enzyme. This requires chemistry. Thank you for your information, Monica.
Now we go with Simana.
Good morning. I'm going to talk about the relation between chemistry and food. Chemistry studies all that involves food, for example, weather, growth, size, and it can modify also. This is named transgenic food. It's when chemistry affects the genetical of food. For example, this is an example of transgenic tomato, and this is a normal tomato. But chemistry also studies proteins, enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that affect food. For example, we should know how many vitamins an apple has because of chemistry, because it studies that. So the conclusion is that chemistry is totally related to food because we can know how much food we can eat to have an amount of determined proteins or minerals.
Okay, thank you for your report, Simana.
Now we go with Diego.
Hi, my name is Diego. I'm going to talk about you how chemistry affects in war. We normally see countries fighting for something. They usually want to win, so they do whatever they need to do it. Once a chemist sought on an advantage, a chemical advantage. He wanted to have more powerful weapons than the others, and so the chemical weapons were created. Through years, they have developed new weapons such as the nuclear bomb, but what they really discovered was the chemical warfare. It consists in using the toxic properties of chemical substances to affect the enemy, and it also affects vegetation.
Okay, thank you, Diego. That was an excellent report.
Now we go with David.
Hello, my name is David, and I'm going to talk about chemistry and global warming. First of all, we made the question, what is global warming? Okay, global warming is the rise in the average temperature of Earth, atmosphere, and ocean. Okay, scientists investigate that are more than 90% certain that it is primarily caused by increasing concentration of greenhouse gases produced by human activities. The humans almost made the problem of the global warming, and this caused the Earth to have more gases in all the air. So the scientists they investigate and they found a solution. The first problem is the cars. So they invented a new technology. The new technology is the cars that had run cleaner and burn less gas. So the air will not have more gas, and it will be a fresh air and a fresh oxygen. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, David. It was amazing.
Okay, now we go with report of hazard.
Today I'm going to tell you three possible solutions to prevent the melting ice caps. So the first one is to drive less, to use less cars, and you can use bicycles or buses, I don't know, other ways. And you can change your light bulbs to the CFL bulbs that they economize a lot. You can also turn out the lights.
Thank you, Hazel. This was amazing.
Well, we're done today. See you later.
And remember to watch close.